In the silence of the night, there exists a farm with no humans. Every movement here is precise, controlled, and completely automated.
These are not ordinary fish. They are raised in a perfectly engineered world.
No farmers, no workers, only machines working without rest. At the center, an artificial intelligence controls everything. Every movement is tracked. Every detail is measured. Water flows through a closed system, endlessly recycled. Life here moves in perfect harmony, guided by invisible algorithms. A complete ecosystem, built without human hands. This is not just a farm. This is the future of food. Every second, every movement is calculated with absolute precision. Each portion is measured down to the smallest detail. Nothing is wasted. The moment food appears, the entire ecosystem reacts instantly. Thousands of fish fed at the exact same time, without a single mistake.
An artificial intelligence decides how much each tilapia should eat.
It watches their behavior and adapts in real time.
If the fish eat less, the system instantly adjusts.
Every gram of food is optimized for maximum efficiency.
And with every cycle, the system becomes smarter. Until the next moment, when everything begins again.
Inside this system, water is no longer natural. It is engineered.
Temperature is controlled with absolute precision, down to a fraction of a degree. Oxygen is delivered exactly when it is needed, no more, no less. Every drop of water is constantly monitored, every second. Even the smallest impurities are detected and eliminated.
For the fish, this is a world without stress, without imbalance.
The system adapts instantly, faster than any human ever could.
Water flows through a closed loop, endlessly purified and reused. Every variable, perfectly balanced. Every condition, under control. In this place, nature no longer decides. Technology does. Every system produces waste, but here, nothing is wasted. The process begins with multi-layer filtration, removing everything the eye cannot see.
Even the smallest impurities are captured and isolated.
Then comes sterilization, where light itself destroys invisible threats. Bacteria, parasites, eliminated in seconds. What remains is water reborn. Every stage is monitored, every drop is analyzed.
And then it returns to the system, cleaner than before.
A closed loop where nothing escapes and nothing is lost.
In this world, water is no longer a resource. It is a controlled system.
Life begins here, not in nature, but inside a machine. Every egg is protected. Every movement is controlled. Heat, light, timing, all perfectly calculated.
Inside each shell, a new life is forming.
Growth is no longer left to chance. It is engineered. And then, the moment begins. Not by human hands, but by machines designed for perfection.
Thousands of lives, moving as one.
Every life is counted. Every outcome is measured. In this world, even life itself is controlled by technology. Nothing inside this farm goes unseen.
Every fish is tracked individually. Its health, its growth, its behavior, all analyzed in real time.
Even the smallest irregularity is instantly detected.
Movement is no longer random. It is data.
The system knows what is normal and what is not.
Millions of data points processed every second.
It can even predict the future before it happens.
A perfect digital copy of a living ecosystem. In this world, intelligence is no longer human. When the time is right, the system makes its move. Only the best are chosen. Handled with precision, without human touch.
From water to processing in seconds. Every tuna is analyzed and classified instantly.
Nothing is random. Everything is optimized.
This is not farming anymore. It is production. Prepared for the market without a single human hand.
A system designed for efficiency, without error, without delay. In this world, even food is manufactured by machines.
But what happens when the system fails?
In a world controlled by machines, failure is not an option.
Oxygen levels are falling.
The fish begin to panic.
The system detects the anomaly, but time is running out.
A critical failure, spreading across the system. Every second means survival or collapse. The AI is calculating millions of possibilities. The environment begins to destabilize.
Everything is on the edge of failure. There is only one chance to recover.
If the system cannot fix this, everything will be lost.
And there are no humans to save it.
But this system was built for moments like this.
Emergency oxygen deployed within seconds.
Filtration speed increases, pushing the system to its limits.
The affected zone is isolated.
The AI recalculates faster than any human ever could.
Every system responds in perfect coordination.
The panic begins to fade.
The environment begins to recover.
Critical systems restored.
Balance is restored.
Crisis avoided. Because here, failure is not the end. It is just another calculation. But something has changed.
The system remembers everything.
Every mistake becomes knowledge.
It analyzes, adapts, and evolves.
The code is no longer static. It is learning.
It can now predict what has not yet happened.
A complete digital reflection of a living world.
Problems are solved before they even begin.
The system sees more than what is visible.
Perfection is no longer an accident.
And with every cycle, it becomes something more.
Not just a machine, but intelligence evolving beyond human limits. What began as a single system is no longer contained. The technology spreads across the planet.
In places where life once struggled, it now thrives.
Even the oceans are no longer beyond its reach. Cities begin to produce their own food. Every system connected by a single intelligence.
One network, managing millions of lives. From farm to table, without interruption. Production scales beyond anything seen before.
The world begins to depend on it.
A system feeding the entire planet. And this is only the beginning. No workers, no farmers, no humans.
Everything you see is controlled by machines. Life continues exactly as programmed. No mistakes, no emotions, no hesitation.
But this is how it used to be.
One is human, the other is perfect.
But perfection comes at a cost.
Because when machines take control, what happens to us? And if one system can feed the world, who is really in control?
Is this the future of food, or the end of human farming?